If you're looking to use pneumatics in your workplace, you're going to need one of these. With a fluid power knowledge gained over 35 years of trading, we can help source the correct air compressor for your requirement. Whatever size or air demand, there's a compressor that suits you. Your air compressor will be checked and tested prior to delivery by our qualified engineers and won't leave until we're happy it runs smoothly either on its own or with any accessories such as remote control units or data logging software. Derek Lane & Co are approved compressor distributors for ABAC and ALEC. Your air compressor will come with a 1-year warranty as standard with an optional 5-year extension. Our engineers are available on site for installation and commission to see your job through from start to finish, giving you a quality service and peace of mind. The service doesn't stop at installation. You'll find we also maintain and repair pneumatic systems and components, from a run-of-the-mill 2,000-hour compressor service to replacing your old leaky ring main. Let us know what you need. Whatever your industry, if you use pneumatics, we can help you.